Welcome back to my channel. Lefty here. I wanted to talk about outdoor lighting. A lot of times scrappers just throw them in with their shred. You know, there's a lot of potential value here with cast aluminum. So we'll start off with this one here. They're not all that difficult to take apart. Microphone back. Piece of plastic. Flip this one over. There's just a couple screws in the back. And it pops right out. Pull this through. Another piece of plastic. A bit of trim. I'll get this photocell out of here. Now, if you wanted to, you could save this. This one here, I don't believe it's a motion sensor. I believe it turns on when it starts getting dark out. That's what you want. Me, I don't want it on all. I don't want my light on all the time. Some more wires. Now these got this. You may think that it's a ballast. It is in a sort, but not really. It's a transformer. There's a gasket holding this in. Now, a lot of times you can repurpose the LEDs. And I just found out something about those screws. They were stainless steel. So when I went to toss them onto my magnet, it bounced right off. This aluminum. These, they may contain a little gold filament in them, but I don't, I'm not going to mess with that. But, however, on the back, this is aluminum. So now we got this nice chunk of aluminum here, more aluminum here. Got these wires. It really didn't take up much time. Okay. There's another photo cell. Oh, let's go back to this guy here. So, pop this. It's got copper here. Another copper here. More copper here. And then the rest of this. The rest of this can go in with your circuit boards. And it's not low grade, it's low mid grade. So, I mean, you'll get something for it. I mean, you could turn it in just like that and like leave all that other stuff on there for weight. You don't want to mess with these. I mean, that's a little bit of copper there. I mean, but when this comes off, there's a little, it's attached to a little YC. It's like a little heat sink. So we'll get our plastic out of the way. There. Even these screws here. I'll show you here. Stainless steel. Okay, so this one here. What we're going to do is we'll take this. Get this out of here. Plastic. Now on the inside of this, got some wires, copper wire, silver contacts. Just pull right out. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this, put that, put that, pull that off, go back the other way. I can't get this one screw to come undone. So with a little bit of persuasion, let me get a persuader here. Let's grab it with a pair of pliers and give it a twist. Down a little bit further, get it pulled out a little bit, give it another little twist. What I'm doing is I'm going up against here, grabbing hold of the wire, just giving it a twist. Do one. That one there, just one. The other one. There we go. Okay, now then, other than this screw here, which is steel, this little sleeve here is steel. Got a little piece of dirty aluminum. We go back to this one here. We crack this open. There's more silver contacts in there. So I'll put these two in with our silver bearing pile. Be further processed. So you ended up with a piece of dirty aluminum. If provided you get that other screw out. Give this a clip. This here looks like it's they look the same. This is steel. This one here is zinc. Aluminum. Even though the zinc, they'll take that as cast aluminum. At least my yard does. Now down in here, it's just one little screw. That comes out. Put the wires, aluminum in here, piece of brass down in there. And you got another piece of cast aluminum. Can knock that screw out if they your yard goes through all that, depending on how much you got. So I mean, the stuff comes apart very easily. And just like turned a few cents in what you would throw in with your shred steel into a couple bucks. So, you know, it don't take long to process this stuff. Scrap safe. Till next time, peace.